So, something pretty awesome here. We have an antistatic mat, which I've basically ordered. Now you're probably wondering why on earth I've ordered. Well, got an upcoming computer build, so please check that out. So I'm going to be unboxing. It's from a company called Antistat, which are based in the UK, and this is the 70cm by 60cm antistatic mat. You should get an antistatic plug. So in the UK you plug in the top pin, obviously the thing turned off. Then we have the mat and a wristband. So I'm going to be opening this up. Okay, so I'll just get the inserts all on the front. Pretty much like all the various info. You have invoicing and all of that. So if you just give me a moment, I can just oh boy. Oh boy. Oh. Right, so you have documents are enclosed. That's your first bit. And then we have the shipping label on the back. I'm just peeling this off just for very obvious reasons. So I'll just put that aside. Right, now we can get on to the actual unboxing itself. This is how big it is. So it came via UPS, just gets delivered. So we have the Workstation kit blue. There's a blue mat. Oh yeah, and you also get a nice little warning sticker. That's the other funny bit. As they always say, that's why. So I'll be opening this up now. Okay, so I'm just going to be kind of careful how I open this up. Just don't want to accidentally like damage things. In fact, I think probably more. Very, 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 very lightly. The good thing is they've wrapped this in really strong material. There we go. Right. As always, it's always best to keep your boxes, simply because, well, you can then easily return, or for any other reason it can be repurposed if you're clearing out stuff. It's always my advice. Okay, so I'm just going to turn this around so hopefully you can see a little more easier. So we open up. I mean, this thing is big. That is so big. I'm literally up to the tripod right now. So we have, my God, cardboard wrapping. It's always good to have and keep on hand. We have a lot more cardboard wrapping. Now we have the actual mat itself. We have a little leaflet goes catalogue. And just, that is literally it. That's it. That's all that comes. Like, nothing else. Just a wrap. So I'm going to be putting the cardboard aside, but I have to give Antistat credit for how much wrapping has came on the thing. Oh, so I can see Charlie's getting excited. The dog. Don't get any ideas, alright? Okay. And don't lie on it. Okay, no worries. I don't even know if you understood that. So, here's what actually comes. You get your booklet. Just the various bits and bobs here. So I will start the opening and unboxing here. So in fact this is sealed at the end, so I could try and, in fact this is pretty much sealed up. But I can't quite open it very well, so I have to do a cut on the top. I would wish that, I do kind of wish if they just sort of vacuum sealed it or something like that. Okay, finally we've got a little bit more open here. So in the actual thing we have our Antistatic wristband. We also have, sorry, not Antistatic wristband, that's the connector. God damn it. We have the actual plug. So this plug here will plug in. This is for the UK. There is an EU version as well for the EU plug. That's pretty much it. And there's that, and then you have the actual wrist strap, which I just put on. I actually remember this is actually very comfy and I quite like. I remember quite a while back I had an ESD strap when I was working in a computer repair shop, but it had like a metal lining. It was like if you imagine like a metal watch, it was basically like that, which I didn't really prefer because it would always clip into your skin. So just put the scissors and info aside. Now for the fun bits that you've all been waiting for. This is the mat. This thing is big. I mean, so we have, oh yes, our fun little sign here. There you go. So we have our warning sign. I won't be using this myself because, you know, if I do get big, then possibly. You also get info on how to set up, and I will try and set this whole thing up. So these are strapped down. I would like to have seen like either a clip or something, but it feels nice. It's a rubber back. Try and use the scissors. There you go. Right, so one bit off. I'll just figure it out. But it is got some weight to it. I would definitely say. Definitely say that. Now, very unroll thing. What is also nice is you got little corners. So if we unroll, it should at least unroll and fit just enough on the table. It's big, but this also means that you've got a nice surface layer for any projects, either a computer build or for doing other electronic projects. And that is literally it. It completely rolled out. In fact, I can't even lift that now because it's got a rubber back. Yeah, and then then for clipping we can unscrew. Now that can clip on. So clip or screw. Okay. Right. It's just a little clip. It does just clip on, that's good. And then you just simply plug it in without it, obviously. So if we take our plug socket, obviously things turned off. Plug in, and then, why did I actually undo all the tile lot? Okay, and then just plug in there. I'm just going to put the wiring cable tie back round just so it doesn't absolutely bunch all out. Just tie it up. And then that's pretty much it. We've just now got a cable tie set up. And as you can see, I've got my hands on it perfectly fine. So the plug that comes with it is earth bonding point. So it plugs into the earth bit and that's it. And there's a mega home resistance, and that's literally it. I can set up the wrist strap as well. So again, literally just that, so that's the other way around. Clip that on, and then whichever, I like the fact there's different points. Clip that on the side, I've got that the right way, and then put in your strap. So if I go say here, because it's just easier, that is it. That is literally it. And then just do up the thing, and just pull the thing through. But that's literally it. So you can pick one of these up. There's a link hopefully in the description, and then you're now ready to work in a safe way. In terms of how dangerous EST build up and damaging parts, the risk is there, but it's a low risk. It's sort of, the odds are low, but it's never zero. And if you've got one of these, it helps because also it protects the table from any damage or anything like that. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little unboxing. Be sure to subscribe. We hope to try and get hopefully 100 subscribers as soon as I can. And if you don't want to miss the upcoming Threadripper build, not Threadripper, Threadripper Pro build, be sure to hit the subscribe button. This is me, Goldmaster, signing off.